As a returning check cashing Maya customer, personal information is already saved in our secure system. All you have to do is enter the amount on the check. Once the check is inserted, it will be sent out for review. If approved, customers will receive their cash within seconds.